This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 94 of building the Ford GT40. In this issue we're doing a repeat of last time's, but the magazine's going to be different. So let's look through that. We've got the Ford Probe joint development. I'm not sure who that was in development with, but if you want to read the words, you can find out ahead of me. It's quite a nice looking car. I don't mind that. It's quite normal looking, but it does the job. Yeah, that's quite sleek. Obviously, concept version. There we go. So yes, the building is the, what do they call this? The front right LED light and auxiliary lamp lens. And some screws in this pack, which we're not using. I don't know why they give us some screws, but we'll keep them aside for later. So we're doing exactly the same as we did last time, but better on the other side of this. Yeah, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get to the build. So here we have it, the pack of screws, which I shall keep aside, and I'm sure we'll use them soon. The lens cover, which we will pop in soon. But first of all, we're going to install this. We're going to fit the one that's between bulb and plug into the socket there. And this is, again, not liking it, like the one on the other side. I just had to get in closer and see exactly why it wasn't lining up, but I'm going to have to do the same thing on this one. Let me grab my getting in closer glasses. Grab these again. Let's see why I'm having trouble with that. Really don't know. That's exactly what I was doing before, I thought, but there we go. So this wire will again come out of the little hole under there, ready to go back and be plugged into the circuit. We've got the other bulb ready to be installed up into the top cover piece. But first of all, we've got to put our little lens cover over there. That just snaps in place, just like the other side did, hopefully, just as easily. Always a little bit nerve-wracking putting in bits that have just got little snap tags on them. You've got to bend the whole thing just a little bit, but you don't want to bend it too much. But if you don't bend it enough, then it doesn't go in. So yeah, really don't like this bit. I'd be happier if it touched between, you know, the inside and the outside bit or something, but it's not fully in there for some reason. That one's gone in nice and flush. This one is not. I think one side's just not quite lined up. Try getting that side in first. Might make a difference. Why not? Try that. Come on. In you go. Behind there you go. That's that. Nice and flush on both sides there. So that is it. Another issue completed. Another part ready. I think next time we get a big bit, and I think we bring in the back from, was it the first issue? The hood, the bonnet. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that bit. I like it when parts come together. So yeah, join me for that in a couple of days. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.